In 8th of April, you will have the chance to visit one of the rarest solar eclipses in the 21st century. So, why is everyone taking it so serious? It is just an eclipse that passes out doing nothing, or I might be wrong. Here are 10 facts why this eclipse is so important to all of us. The wide coverage. The 2024 total solar eclipse has a vast coverage of land, which makes it one of the broad covering eclipses ever. Most importantly, the path of totality happens, or the area which you can view the complete eclipse is wider than usual. This will be a great opportunity to all of us, and millions of people can be able to watch this eclipse. Might be the last one you see. Partial solar eclipses, annular solar eclipses, and all of these are common, but total solar eclipses are only happening 1 or 2 times every 5 years, and also, most importantly, this will be the last one till 2044 for United States. So if you miss this, you need to wait another 20 years. Or otherwise you need to go to a country where it does. Do I have to travel? Well, if you think that you couldn't view the eclipse in America, check this out. Actually, most of the people can view at least a part of it. If you see here, even the people so much away from the total phase can also view the eclipse in partial. Here, the yellow line shows the visibility of the eclipse. You can see that it covers a really broad range of the world, which is also making this eclipse to view millions of people. So don't be rushed and enjoy the show. The duration. You know that viewing such a solar eclipse is one of the unforgettable moments in life. You might feel the world is ending, but nothing lasts forever. Most of the eclipses have a duration of like 2 to 3 minutes. But the interesting fact is that this solar eclipse has a duration of more than 4 minutes, and 40 seconds, making it one of the longest so far. The longest eclipse in the history happened for more than 7 minutes. Coronal mass ejections. Well, coronal mass ejections are enormous winds or waves occur in the surface of the sun. These things are highly occurring in the time when the sun is arriving to its solar maximum. Scientists identified these solar maximums through observing the sunspots of the sun. This is also known as the solar cycle, and it happens around every 11 years. And the sun is now approaching its solar maximum. And this will be a mesmerizing thing to look at if such huge coronal mass ejections took place. There will be stunning structure around the total eclipse phase, which is so rare. Don't be stupid. Solar eclipses are so rare and beautiful indeed, but a single mistake of yours could lead you to a huge disaster. If you are watching the eclipse, you must wear proper eclipse glasses. No sunglasses or any other things. You must have that to view the sun directly. A planetary dance. Miracles always happen, don't they? In this eclipse you are having some bonus things to take your breath. During the total solar eclipse, the planets Venus and Jupiter will be visible to your naked eye. Sometimes you might need to take binoculars. The devil in the sky. So far, we have discussed about some of the brilliant things about this eclipse. Here is another one. Do you know that there is a huge comet approaching us? And do you know that it is going to be an extraordinary thing to look? This comet is named as 1 to P. Pons Brooks. The scientists call it as the Devil's Comet because of the structure of the comet. This comet will be visible during this period of time, and it will be so much beautiful to see. The comet might be visible during the solar eclipse event, and if it happened, that will be a jaw-dropping phenomena to all of us. Viewing a comet during the eclipse event is one of the rarest incidents ever. Overlapping the previous. In 2017, a solar eclipse just like this happened around the cities of USA. You can see that this eclipse is also crossing the line of the previous one. So this will be a one-time opportunity to the people who are living in these areas. Feel strange? Well, actually, a solar eclipse is already a strange and scary thing to some of us. But another interesting thing in this eclipse is that the unexpected drop of temperature of the environment. This happens because when the moon blocks the path of the sun, you will feel strange that everything in your surrounding will be darkened. Think of the crescent shadows that will be appeared in everywhere around us. That is really awesome. A tornado combined. Well, this total solar eclipse passed through the area which most of tornadoes occur in the USA, so there might be a tiny chance of having a solar eclipse with the tornado. Well, at last what I need you to tell is that a solar eclipse is one of the things that must need to experience in your life. The way how the environment changes and all the things. It is a thing which brings the people together, as a one giving a break to all the problems in your heart. So, I cannot narrate the beauty of this eclipse in these words. If you want to feel it go, see it by yourself and leave a comment for this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to embark on this unforgettable cosmic journey with me.